Hi everyone, how are you? Today we'll talk about iron. Last lesson we talked about zinc. So we will continue like one by one. Today we'll talk about iron. So let's start about iron. Okay, iron. Okay, iron. The topic. Iron. Iron is the pure silver white colored metal. Okay, and luster. What does mean luster? Luster means shiny. Okay, soft metal with important magnetic properties. Iron has magnetic properties. For example, aluminum or zinc has no magnetic property. And iron is malleable and ductile. What does it mean malleable? Malleable like this. You may easily mellay it, okay? Or you may easily can you may do it at any shape. And ductile, what does it mean ductile? Ductile is this one, elastic. Right? So pure metal Pure metal is very reactive chemically, so iron is very reactive chemically, and radically colored, especially in the most air or in the high temperature. Important thing is that iron is the second most abundant metal after aluminum. Aluminum is the first, as you remember. Iron is the second, and iron is not found in elemental form in nature. It's also very important. And here I wrote with blue colored. You need to write. Okay. So continue. Okay. Chemical properties of iron. Iron can take +2 and +3 oxidation number. Okay. If it is take +2 oxidation number, it's called ferrous. If it is take +3, it's called ferric. Okay. Or you may write like iron 2 oxide, for example, or iron 3 oxide. Okay, chemical properties, it means reactions. So let's continue about reactions. Iron plus hydrochloric acid produce iron chloride and hydrogen gas. Always when metals react with acids, always produce hydrogen gas. You need to remember it, okay? Okay, if iron plus sulfuric acid, it's also example, iron sulfate and hydrogen gas. And formation of the mixed oxide, for example, iron plus water produce iron, 3, oxygen 4. It is the mixed of the two oxides. Understand? Iron 2 and iron 3. Understand? Okay. Please put the video and pause and write this blue colored ones. This one's also, and this one's also in your notebook. So iron plus sulfur produce iron sulfate. Iron plus chlorine produce iron chloride. Instead of chloride, you may put any halogen, fluorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. So continue. Oh, this one is important. Important thing is the iron plus 2. It's called ferrous. Okay, compound with ferrous. For example, I can write here example. Let's see how I can write. For example, okay, let's continue. Iron plus 3 is the ferric oxide. I will show you here. For example, this one is the ferric chloride. Understand? This one is the ferric chloride. Or let's see here another one. For example, this one is the ferrous oxide. This one, and this one is the ferric oxide. Understand? Or this one is iron 2 oxide, and this one is the iron 3 by Latin, 3 oxide by Rome. Okay, that's enough. And in the under will be another video about preparation of the iron or how to get iron, and you need to watch this video also, and please answer the questions and do your homework. See you next lesson.